So we've seen that we had a conflict in our file over on GitHub, and we were able to drill in and even see the blame that we could lay. I wanted to just quickly show you, we're here on Nitrous, so we're on our server. And over here on this side, we can see that there's basically a directory structure that we can dig into. And without going into the details there, I just wanted to show you this file, this index file, that is this one here. It's the one that reflects what's happening on our GitHub repository with our index.html. And down here I can get to a command line and I can take a look at, this is supposed to be my listing. It mirrors what happens up here, what I can see in this GUI. This is just the command line representation of it. I can change directories into the code directory. I can take a look at what's there, and I can change directories again into the untangling the web directory. I could have done that all in one command, but I'm just going slowly. And I can see what's there, and I can actually change directories again into that one. And then once I do that, you're going to notice something happens. That's the Git master. And if I say git, and this is a command that is, of course, related to what's going on with our Git repo, and I say I want to do a pull down of what the latest version of that master is, it's actually showing me that a couple files have changed. The README file has changed. 2 lines were added, 1 was deleted, and 2 lines were added there. And I think you saw this come up right here, that this is the new version of the file. So this was me pulling the changes from the GitHub repository onto the server so that we can serve it up as a web server page. Okay, that's a much slower way to preview it, but it would at least be there for the world that way. And that's using GitHub using Git from the server to access the GitHub repo. It sounds like a lot, but we're going to understand this one step at a time. But we're pulling in your requests, so it's going to be your web